welcome to our Monday Minute. Today we're going to discuss a topic that everyone wish would happen across the board, and that is deregulation. The hospice proposed rule was released a couple of weeks ago, and in conjunction with that, they also released a request for information specific to deregulation across healthcare. This is not specific to home health or hospice or both home health and hospice. It is healthcare wide. This deregulation request for information is requesting that you send in comments on regulations that you feel are outdated, that are overly burdensome, any regulation that you're having to abide by that is keeping you from building your agency, from the growth that you need to have, from being able to retain staff members, and honestly, most importantly, inhibiting you in any way from being able to care for patients as you should. Also remember that this request for information is not specific to CMS regulation. It also includes OSHA, the Department of Labor, etc. So if it is a federal regulation that, again, you feel is overly burdensome, totally outdated, etc., you need to send in those comments. The National Alliance for Care at Home is putting together a comment document to represent the industry and is requesting that you send your specific information regarding deregulation to a specific email address that we will include in this minute. For you to send in those comments, you need to do so by May 2nd. They have a very short time to get these compiled and get them in as their comment on this request for information. It's a very good thing anytime we can get rid of a nuisance regulation. Obviously, there has to be some regulation. We all understand that. But some of them are just truly overbearing and, yes, definitely outdated. So please make sure you compile those. This is your chance. Every time you gripe about that specific regulation that just drives you crazy, make sure to let us know about that. Again, the National Alliance is working hard to represent you and wants to ensure that your comments are included. Thank you all for listening today. If Healthcare Provider Solutions can ever help you in any way, don't hesitate to let us know. And I hope you have a fabulous week.